Right, well, I'm 90% sure that most of my ride is going to be squinting into the sun on the way back. And to be fair, there are worse problems to have because sun is just so rare here in the UK. Yeah, I'm leaving work. It's nice and sunny. Brought the bike out today, so all is good. Saved myself a bit of time riding the bike. Saved myself money as well. And yeah, just get a few more little smiles per gallon in, you know what I mean? Tell you what though, this box junction coming up here got me a lovely £180 or £160 fine the other day while I was in my car. Totally not my fault as well, because some donut pulled out in front of me from the hospital and obviously I had to stop. So yeah, I got a nice ticket in the post. Love that for me. But yeah, nice little money printer from, is it the, oh, I can't even remember what the Borough Council of I don't give a shit is called. And yeah, but luckily it's reduced to 80 from 160. How very gracious of them. Absolute money printer, putting it where they have, because people just get stuck there so much because of the bloody hospital. Yeah, proper nightmare. Come on, mate, you fit bust through there. Yeah, just block us all, mate. Yeah, good job. So don't move, don't pull out then. You wait there. You fucking turd, aren't you? Yeah, let me just pull out, because look, nobody can turn right now, mate, if somebody wanted to turn right. Fucking wanker. I have to go in my financed electric car. So if you did fancy bringing your bike into London for commuting, just be prepared, because nobody knows how to drive. And everyone else is the most important being on the roads. And also be wary of box junctions. Box junctions suck. This one here, I don't know if I can see the camera for it. It's probably back there. Some, I swear, don't even have cameras. It's just the hotspot ones where they know they can make some money. So what are the pros and cons of taking in your bike? Well, for me, it's cheaper because I save on fuel, I save on parking. Don't have to do any ULEZ congestion crap either. Not that I would for where I go. And what else? Quicker. Time saving. Oh my god, I save like so much time. I want to say usually takes me 1:20 in the car. Takes me 40 minutes on a bike. Park where you like as well. I can park around the back of my work, which is perfect. And the main thing is, it's just more fun. Get to filter past everyone. Especially on days like today, you know, there's nothing worse than being sat in your miserable car after work, stuck in traffic. But what are the cons? Well, everyone's a sausage. Just assume that everyone's an idiot and you'll basically be okay. Assume they haven't seen you, so try and make yourself known, and yeah, proceed with caution, all that bollocks. Especially if you're filtering like this. I don't have mirrors, so I know I can fit through here. I know that none of the traffic's moving, no one's going to change lanes, yada yada yada. And stay away from the big scoops with 3 wheels. Weird guys. Other cons? Maybe you might get bike jacked. Who knows? Could happen. You know, where I am, it doesn't really happen a whole bunch, so I don't have to worry about it. But it can definitely happen. And just your bike getting stolen from where it's parked, so make sure you've got lots of nice locks and a cover, ideally. Of course, the weather. If you have to do it every day, you know, be prepared to get wet. I personally only do it on nice days like today, so I don't have to worry. I check the forecast, but yeah, that's another thing. And fines, that's probably one more thing. You're quite likely to get speeding fines if you don't know the area and you don't know where the cameras are, and if you're on a bike, because yeah, they tend to go a bit quicker. By in average zones, if you know it's an average zone, you should be fine. But yeah, I just love riding the bike in on days like today. I'm doing shit moto vlogs. So if you're wondering what cameras I'm using, I've got two DJI Action 6s, ND8 plus a CPL filter, and then for microphones I've got a set of the DJI Mic 3s. One's in my lid and then the other is in my bag. And I did a test with them the other day and they sound pretty damn good. I'm very happy with the one in my helmet. The one under the... I had it behind the camera under the windshield. I've had it under the seat. I've had it in the bag. I can't get it to a point where I'm happy with it. And I think that's because my exhaust is too loud and it's just straight up clipping the audio. So I get a lot of distortion. I get, you know, vibrations, which don't sound great. So if you've got any tips on the Mic 3s with super loud exhaust, let me know if you've managed to get it sounding good. The settings I have it on currently for both, I have it exactly the same, is -12, -12, and then strong noise reduction on both. So people do a lot of lane changing down here, so this is probably one of the roads you have to concentrate the most on, especially with sketchy ped riders like this. And we are following an ambulance, so people are doing a lot of shifting about in their lanes. Oh, come on, mate. Jesus. Alright, what we're going to do now is get off this boring bit of road and down the boring M3. And when I come off the M3, I'm going to try and hit some nice little twisty back roads and then, yeah, get home and have a beer, I reckon. Sounds like a plan. And back to crawling traffic. At least I hope not, down my nice twisties I got planned. My fucking fuel light's on again! Only filled up this morning. Oh, we dead ass fucking queuing here. For what? Really? Ah, oh, that sucks. I did not expect to be filtering here, of all places. I think I've got a flat tyre. My bike is not turning how it should. Feels weird. Maybe I'm just getting in my head. Come on. Oh yeah, this ain't right. Yeah. I am like certain I've got a fucking flat tyre. It just don't feel right. Right, what do you reckon? Flat tyre or not flat tyre? I reckon I've got a flat. No? Oh, there's definitely a... There is not as much squidge as that usually. I just flipped it now. I don't ride with it flipped. Can I see anything? No. It's nice eating them. Maybe I'm just getting in my head a bit. Anyway, that is the end of the vlog. MotoVlog, POV ride. Absolute 15 minutes of chatting shit. And yeah, I'm going to disappear. go see a mate of mine and have a beer. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.